So, it's been a long time. No, not since I last brushed my teeth, but since I last reviewed a Fairywill product. As I can remember, the Fairywill P11 ring toothbrush was an amazing concept, and well, today we have a new Fairywill FW-507 sonic power toothbrush. Woohoo! So the quick question is it just as good as the P11? Well, let's find out. Okay, so just like the P11, this 507 has 5 cleaning modes. It has 40,000 brush strokes per minute. Oh, that's a lot, jeez. And it's aimed at people wanting to remove plaque, improve their gum health, and make those teeth nice, white, and shiny. So basically, it's an aid because you're too lazy to brush your own teeth. What? Or is it? Let's go further in. Inside the box, we have quite standard packaging. What's this? Incidental head sharing gift. So what's this, a gift? To me? To thank you for leaving your what? Ah! Your honest review. I ain't left it yet. Certainly will later. So we have another little brush head. There are 2 other interchangeable heads, and they both come with tooth waved DuPont bristles. Oh yes, to the left hand side we do have the Fairywill 507 electric toothbrush itself. It's certainly lighter than previous models, very light. It's made from ABS TPE materials with a battery that will last up to 30 days after one full charge. 30 days? That's useful. That's actually good, really. So taking the protective shield off that supplied 3rd head. So yes, we've got 3 of them now. Well, 4, including that nice little gift you left me. So yes, you can see we have the same tooth waved bristles. Now these particular toothbrush heads do have a locking mechanism. So to take them off, you just simply got to twist to the right, pull it off, and reverse that procedure to replace. I do actually like the look of the toothbrush in general. Kinda snazzy in that matte black colour, with that gold detail around the power button. But the question is, do we have any charger or a stand? Okay, so we don't get any charger stand with this particular toothbrush, but rather a single pin USB charge cable. There is our usual instruction manual and a VIP invitation coupon, so you'll be able to test the product for yourself. So guys, just simply have to scan this barcode on the screen just now for more info. So do it now! Alrighty then, when it comes to the modes, you basically press once to select widen. It will be indicated in blue below that power button, and to go to the next mode you just simply got to repeat the presses. So you press twice for clean and so on. So you've also got a sensitive mode, polish mode, and a massage. Oh, I could do the massage. I'm very stressed. It also has a 2-minute timer, 30-second interval reminder, which basically stops just for a moment and then continues, indicating that you should change to a different section of your teeth, helping spend time on the 4 sections of your mouth. For sensitive teeth, it is great. You can see me using it just here. Try not to let all the dribble drip down my lips. Can you see that? Yeah, hold that pose, Ed. Yeah. For sensitive teeth, I think it's great with those selective modes, especially for polishing and whitening. And yes guys, yes, this is indeed waterproof. I do love the modern look, while still looking quite minimalistic. It is quite silent in fact. But you know what guys, if I was to rate this out of my usual rating out of 10 today, I've simply got to give it, I think a 9 out of 10 will do. But yeah, that's it. I mean, listen, overall, fantastic product. It does what it says in the box, and for that price, being £17, that's around 21 in US dollars. You really can't go wrong with this Fairywill 507 electronic toothbrush today. So guys, I will leave a link for this product in the video description down below. If you want to, it's up to you. Go ahead and check it out. And if you like what you see, well, go get yours. And while you're there guys, please go ahead and smash that like button. Please subscribe, I'd very much appreciate that. And while you're there, yes, make sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys will know when I've uploaded my new videos. And talking about new videos, one will be coming very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. Thanks ever so much for watching today, and peace!